if that reverse foundation thing really works. Hey everyone, my name's Amanda. I'm kind of new here. So if this is your first, second, third time you've watched me, I guess you're kind of new here too. We got something in common. I've recently discovered Samantha Ravndahl. Have you ever seen her before? She's a Canadian woman who is ridiculously funny. I mean, ridiculously. Like, makes me blow snot. Okay, so I'll link her video down below that I'm copying because she taught me something new. Reverse foundation. What? What is this? Well, it's basically, sorry, dropped something. Basically, what reverse foundation is that you take concealer. This is a cream concealer from Wet n Wild, and a cream blush, and cream contour, and maybe a little cream highlight if that's your thing, and you put it all on before your liquid foundation. Huh? Does it work? You guys tell me. So, alright, so here it goes. We're going to use the concealer stick. I'm just going to dot it because I've never actually used one of these. We'll see how it works. But over areas that I think are funky. Okay, so Wet n Wild, you're doing this well. It's not awful. I mean, most of your stuff is not awful. I generally like Wet n Wild. Now I'm just dotting it everywhere. Okay, come here. I almost lost the lid. So I'm going to go in with my Beauty Blender Real Technique sponge because I'm cheap and don't really want to pay for a beauty blender. You know, one of those deals. I'm going to just kind of pat it in. Give it a little tap, tap, taparoo. Thank you, Adam Sandler, for that. So now I have the blush, the cream blush stick thingy in Floral Majority. And this might look really silly. I do have a stippling brush here, the e.l.f. small stippling brush if needed. Now I'm going to go in with the contour stick. I've never used cream contour, so this might be a bit silly. Maybe I should do this. That seems to work better. I'm going to put on the Bonnie Dumanizer. Okay, so what she did is she primed her face, then she concealed everything, which I did not conceal everything that needs to be concealed, like my under eye. I did do my eyebrows off camera. So next I'm going to put some foundation, liquid foundation over this. But so far, it doesn't look awful. I mean, it doesn't look great. Okay, so I am blending in the Mary Dumanizer because I'm like, holy crap, that's a lot of shine. And so Wet n Wild, I'm in the color cream beige because that's the one I bought a while ago. I don't know if I'm actually the color cream beige. And actually I'm gonna dot it on with my fingers. I just wiped it off. I didn't need my palette. I forgot how much this smells like paint. Well, I think it's pretty well blended in. Let me scooch in so you can take a look. So, what do you think? Kind of looks skin-like. Maybe I overdid it on the contour right here. But hey, I think it's actually the first time I've ever contoured with it is the first time I've ever contoured with cream. So yeah, I think it's okay. Well guys, I think it looks pretty good. What do you think? I'm looking over in the monitor, my laptop thingy, and so yeah, so far so good. So anyway guys, if you like what you see here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye. Hi puppy, you're welcome.